Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. Last week I couldn't put Baba's message. Actually, I don't know how it skipped my mind and I thought I have put and I just left it. And before that, I was talking about the 11 assurances of the beautiful, beautiful Shri Sai, and out of that 6 I had said and why I resonate or why what I think about it. So the 7th assurance which he had given was, I am ever living to help and guide all who come to me, who surrender to me, and who seek refuge in me. This is infinite percent true, because I have always understood this. Whenever I feel down, I feel I don't have a way, I don't know what I'm going to do, and I surrender it to him, next day morning in my life it is sorted, and it is sorted in a very beautiful and a very loving way. So that's the reason I'm saying that, yes, he does help us when we need him, and he shall guide you when you need him, but you need to completely surrender to him and not ask him any questions. The next one is, if you look to me, I look to you. This is very true. Even here, I feel as if he's looking at me. What are you doing? What are you talking? And, as the cards were falling, I seriously felt he was like, talking to me or looking at me. So this part is actually very true when it comes to him. I always feel he keeps looking at me. Okay, now the next one is, if you cast your burden to me, I shall surely bear it. That also is infinite percent true about him. Sometimes I just leave it to him. I tell him, Baba, you take care. I'm not able to handle it anymore. I just want you to, handle it. And I have also seen it getting sorted. If you seek my advice and help, it shall be given to you. That is actually very true. If I tell Baba, Baba, give me an advice, I have always seen either Sai Satchitra book gives me that advice which I want, or from somewhere some person will say, why don't we do it in this way, and I will feel very connected to my situation. There shall be no want in the house of my devotee. I always tell this, that I have everything in my life and Baba has blessed me with everything. There is nothing more that I can ask from him, and whatever I have is Dwarka Mai's and Baba's. And seriously, when you have him, you actually don't want anything in your in your life, because you have him and he is there to fulfill all your wishes and give you everything that you ask for. So let's see, these 2 cards actually fell, these 3 cards actually fell, so I'm going to take these only as Baba's guidance cards today, because I don't know why these 3, actually 4 cards have fallen. Very good. So let's go with the 4 cards. The miracle, basically look out for the miracle in your life. The Sadguru, Baba is the true, this actually I always tell, Baba is a true guru. Just go to him and he will do. The world is your home, be happy wherever you are. This also, I basically, that's the reason why I had kept my house's name as Dwarka Mai. See, I'm just spreading the cards. See, miracles are there, miracles happen. Look out for the miracle of your life. Baba being in our life itself is the biggest miracle, if you ask me. So miracles will happen. Now this miracles is more like a gift. Baba is going to grant your wishes. Baba is going to help you. And it is just that, go to him and take him as your guru. So the moment you start working on the thought process that Baba is my true guru and he will take care of me, he will handle me completely, and he knows what I need and he will be there for me, then believe me, he is going to be there for you. Today, if possible, feed some stray animals, offer some peda to Baba as prasad and give it to the needy. Also in the evening after 6:30, if you can do his aarti, wherever you are, if you don't have a statue, you don't have Baba's photo, just sit and listen to his aarti and tell Baba, Baba, I love you and all I need is you in my life, and once you're there, everything is there in my life. And see how beautifully he is going to bring in miracles in your life. He's going to bring in beautiful gifts in your life, and you'll be shocked the way Baba knows everything and Baba handles everything. So with that, I am signing off today. I shall come back again next week with a beautiful Baba's message. May Baba bless you all. May Baba take you all under his divine feet, and may Baba always be there to love you, to guide you, and to always bless you. But just one thing, Shraddha Saburi is your first rule, and don't question him, just believe him. Om Sai Ram. Love you all, and may Baba bless you.